How to hide participants in Microsoft Teams. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily hide participants bar on Microsoft Teams. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right into the video. The first thing that you need to do is go ahead and open up your Microsoft Teams and make sure that you are inside a meeting. So as you guys can see here, I'm inside a meeting and a screen is being shared on this meeting. So if you want to hide the participants bar down here, what you can do is tap on the three lines at the bottom. And then here you have an option called meeting views. Just tap on it. You can make it as gallery view, minimize the content, or you can try to focus on the content. So what it will do is it will hide everything else. As you can see, the participants bar has been hidden. Now only the shared screen is on your screen. So what you can do is, as you can see, only the shared screen is being shown on your screen. So that's how you hide the participants bar on Microsoft Teams. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.